Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today's topic is Earth as a planet. We will discuss universe and its compounds, shape and size of Earth. So learning objectives are you will be able to understand the universe and its compounds, explain the shape and size of Earth. Before going to the main topic, we will shortly discuss the brief history of the creation of universe. So there are different approaches, but the most significant is Big Bang theory. According to this theory, there was a massive explosion about 15 to 20 billion years ago, and the result of that explosion was the creation of universe. So this theory was based or evolved on the basis of cosmic microwave background. So the astronomist discovered that the universe is created 15 to 20 billion years ago due to the massive explosion. Okay, now we will discuss compounds of the universe. Okay, do you know where we live? Yes, very right. We are living on Earth. So, do you know is Earth has its own light? Yes, very good. Earth do not have its own light. So there is a concept generated that some things are some bodies that have light and some bodies that do not have their own lights. So the bodies that do not have their own light is called planet, and the bodies that have their own light is called star. So do you know what is the Earth? Is it planet or star? Yes, very right. Earth is a planet. So Earth-like planets join to form solar system. So our solar system had 8 planets which revolve around the sun in their respective orbits. So billions of solar systems are stars joined to form the galaxies. So each galaxy contains billions of stars, billions of solar systems. So the cluster of galaxies, or you can say that billions of galaxies unite to form universe. So to concise this topic, let's have a look on a video so that you can easily comprehend and understand the basic concept of compounds of the universe. Okay, our next topic is solar system and Earth. So as we know that our solar system has 8 planets and these planets are revolving around the sun. So each planet has its own orbit and its own axis. So what is the difference between orbit and axis? Orbit means the specific passage on which a planet revolves around the sun, and axis means the center of the planet on which planet rotate. This is called its axis. So our solar system is originated about 5 billion years ago. At that time it was a cloud of gases and dust, and after that it appeared in a shape of solar system. So the sun rests as the center while the gases and dust became the planets. So let's have a look on the picture so that you can easily understand our solar system. So here you can say that sun is the center and the other planets are staying around the sun, like Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So there is also another planet that is called Pluto, which is now excluded from our solar system. Okay, the sun. Okay students, now tell me, is sun planet or star? Yes, very right. Sun is a star. So why it is star? Yes, very right. Because it has its own light and it provides heat and light to the other planets of its solar system. Sun is a brighter star. Sun environment has hydrogen and helium gases and its temperature is about 6000 degrees centigrade. So you can imagine that water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. So sun temperature is 60 times more than that of boiled water. So it is also a source of heat and light that provides heat and light to the other planets. So planets are the things that revolve around the sun. They need heat and light, so they attain it from the sun. So Earth is our planet and it revolves around the sun about 365 days and 6 hours. So these 6 hours after 4 years make 24 hours and that year becomes a leap year. So we can say that the leap year, that is that year which contains 366 days. So these 6 hours in a year are multiplied 4 years, up to 4 years, so that year is named as leap year. And we already know that Pluto is excluded from our solar system. So there is a distance and period of revolution. So you can see that these are the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and this is the distance from the sun. And these are the period of revolution that planets revolve around the sun and complete their revolution. Mercury completes in 88 days and so on. Neptune completes its revolution in 165 days. So do you know what is the difference between revolution and rotation? Okay, we will discuss these two topics in detail in next topic, in next lesson. But now I will just give you a brief introduction or definition of these two points. Okay, revolution is the movement in which planet revolves or move around the sun in its specific orbit, while rotation is a movement in which planet move at its own axis. So we already know what is axis and orbit. So rotation is a movement on axis, while revolution is a movement in its respective orbit around the sun. So shape of Earth. Now we are discussing the Earth as a planet. Shape of Earth means, what is the shape of Earth? Do you know what is the shape of Earth? Yes, very good. It is like a football. It is like a ball. It is round. So how we can see that Earth is round? Yes, very good. Satellites shows us that Earth is round. So size of Earth. So do you know what is the diameter? Yes, very good. Diameter is the distance from one edge to the other edge. So the diameter of Earth is 12,750 kilometers. So do you know what is the circumference? Yes. So it is the passage that completely round any surface. So circumference of Earth is 40,000 kilometers and area is 510 million square kilometer. Okay, dear students, now we will recapitulate our whole topic, that what we studied today. First we discussed the brief history like Big Bang theory. Then we discussed compounds of universe like planet, solar system, galaxy and universe. Then we discussed our solar system and Earth as a planet. Then we discussed shape and size of the Earth. Then we discussed what is the difference between star and planet. Star are those bodies that have their own lights and planet are those bodies that do not have their own lights. So now then we discussed difference between revolution and rotation. So revolution is that the planet revolves around the sun, and rotation is that it rotates around its axis. The movement around its axis is called rotation, and the movement around the sun is called revolution, or the movement on its orbit is called revolution. So difference between axis and orbit. So orbit is a passage on which a planet revolves around the sun, while axis is a point at which the planet moves around its body. Okay, at the last the assignment is learn the topic, and next one is draw the diagram of solar system and understand the terms orbit and revolution that we already discussed. So these two movements are relevant to each other, like orbit, and orbit is a passage and revolution is a movement. So these two are relevant to each other. And the next one is understand the position nearest and farthest of the planet, like which planet is nearest to the sun and which planet is farthest from the sun. Like nearest planet is, yes, very good, Mercury, and which is the farthest planet? Yes, very good, Neptune is the farthest planet and Mercury is the nearest planet of the solar system. Okay, thank you very much.